Once you get everything set up, once everything's ready to go, then getting that how many leads a day you're buying, where you're buying them from, how you're going to track the analytics of it. That was an important piece, one I really wanted to spend some time with, and make sure we were kind of making the right decisions. And as far as an investment on staff, I mean, here we kept all the same staff. As I was going through that journey in the beginning, I really communicated with them during that process, and just to give them the heads up that, okay, this is a change that's coming. This is what I know of it so far, and what I want it to be when we get there. So in part, they could kind of take a little bit of that journey with me in the beginning, and get them kind of prepared for what's coming. And then as we got closer, and as we were able to kind of get the software more solidified, the training that I did with them got a little more detailed and a little more urgent. But by the time we got the system up and running and we were ready to go, and I was happy with it, the staff was happy, they were excited, and so far we've dealt with the same staff. We didn't have to change anybody there. It is a transition for them, for sure, because they've been used to dealing with something a little bit different. But so far, it's been a very positive transition for them.